Hello again, everybody. It's Michael here with your latest supply and demand market report, looking at cryptocurrency. We're going to pick off from where we left off. But before we begin, just another gentle reminder that these videos are purely for educational purposes and not a solicitation for you to do anything with your money. Okay, so let's pick up from where we left off last time, which was a week ago, and we were looking at this market not really doing too much. It hasn't done much again this week. You can see the whole week it's a doji candle. It's pretty much closed within the range of the candle before it, and it had quite a narrow range. If you zoom in on the daily chart, you can see all 5 days. This is what we were looking at. Not much to look at. This is all the 5 days in and around here. So hasn't moved much. It's probed below the low we marked off a couple of weeks ago, but it's not done anything. Thursday was a particularly negative day, but even that didn't have follow through, ending up with a trading period on Friday within Thursday's range. So we've not gone very far. We still have the levels below that we're looking at. So for now, this is a market that's tried to get out of the weekly range and is now being sent right back into it. So whether those levels are going to hold remains to be seen, but we like where they're located towards the lower half of that range. So that's why they're marked in Litecoin. Okay. So nothing to do right now, just watching and waiting. Now looking at Ethereum, let's take out the green. Also had an inside week, not much movement. Thursday was also quite a negative week for it. It's coming up to test this slightly upward trending line. You can see it's a flag pattern there. You can see the bottoms there represented on the weekly chart, but it's still trying to decide what it wants to do. The levels are still lower. That hasn't changed either in this market. So the crypto space is kind of marking time right now. It's not really doing too much. As you can see, we're still wondering whether this is going to be a big time breakout. That's still what the chart suggests, because this 4 weeks tight is suggesting absorption of supply without it breaking down too much. Even if we break down, we will have buyers probably being interested at these lower prices, because we've taken out this high here on the, let me make that bolder, on the weekly. So that's what we're looking at with this market, possible absorption of supply up in here. I still favor a breakout to the upside, but I could be absolutely wrong, and this thing will just tank and go down. Okay, so that's Ethereum, and Bitcoin is not that different. I mean, we've had that box in now for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and we've still stayed within it. Look at the whole week with the last 5 candles here on the daily chart as I'm where my cursor is. No movement really. So quite boring. Again, a market that we're wondering whether it's setting up for eventual upside breakout, but it's not there yet. Not there yet. Okay, so nothing really much to do in the crypto market. I just thought I'd touch base because we always look at it. Trade well, trade safe, and I'll see you all again next week. Take care, everybody.